Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about 1 minute. This is a Disney Byju's Osmo kit. I'm going to show you how to use it and how it is going to interact with the books so that kids can learn easily. And this is very well designed by Disney's Byju's team actually. Kids will love to do their work along with this kit. So let me show you how to do it and all. My name is KDR and you are watching Tech Look KDR around the world. Before we go, I have a request. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you like this video. When you order Disney's kit by this children's kit, they will give you this Osmo kit along with some books. Actually, I'll show you the books. Actually, these are the books they have provided. These are very well made. Like we have here English and maths. So different types of books they provide. I will show you one book. So if you see this book, this is a very well made, properly binded, a very tough indeed. They can withstand kids rough handling. So if I can show you here, so these papers are very thick, and here you can see some of the puzzles are this kind of maze exercises. They have all this, they have to do it by their own. So this Osmo kit will help you, not help me, so will help the kid how to do it and all. Let me show you demo. To work with, you need to have a 10-inch tab, Disney's Whiz pen, Osmo kit, and obviously Disney book. This is the Osmo kit. Red color is a reflector and there is a mirror inside it. When you turn it on, yeah, there it is. It is a magnetic thing. When you place it on the Osmos, it just snaps in. It won't fall off. Let's see how it works. When you select the Disney's Osmos program, it will load up. It takes a little bit time. It just try to load up, and then it asks you to place the tab on the Osmo stand. Otherwise, it will not work. Once you place it, then it will ask you to place the reflector. So you have to place the reflector on the camera. Then it detects it. Then it loads further. This girl introduced herself.
Hi, I'm Jane. I'm really excited to complete some work.
And asks us to place the worksheet.
Place any worksheet in front of me.
There it is. So by turning pages itself, it automatically detects. You can see in the camera itself. Once you select which page, when you put it underneath it, it detects it and it tells the story about that page
To get to know the beast better. So
and tells you what to do.
fairy tale. Let's see what words she might use. Now, look at the sheet. Take the word that comes next according to the first letter.
On the Disney Switch pen, there will be an eraser. You have to use Disney Switch pen only because if you make a wrong choices, you can erase it with the eraser. Normal pen will not work. They will provide the Switch pen along with the books as well. This is the eraser that you need to use on the back side of the pen. They will give around 5-6 Whiz pens.
See? Magically wipes.
See, when I erase it, the mark is already gone. Now I am going to mark the answers. As soon as I mark, it will automatically detect the mark and place a tick mark over there. See there. Once you done with the sheet, you have to place the finger where the hand icon is showing there. Then it identifies that your worksheet is complete. See there. You have to place the finger over there.
Finger on the confirmation at the bottom of the page.
Then it checks for your answers.
Congratulations.
See, if everything is correct, it will be shown like this. If you want, you can add another worksheet to continue. Again, it automatically detects, tells the story about that page.
Having your friends. The Beast and Chip are having a cozy time sitting around the fire and listening to Belle's stories. She might use words they do not know. Let's see what they might be. Now, look at the sheet. Tick the word that comes next according to the second letter.
For your information, I am going to make some wrong choices. Then you will understand how it is going to interact. I'll show you by doing some wrong answers. Randomly, I tick mark. Randomly, I make choices, and then you can understand. See, I'm randomly doing some choices. And you have to place the finger over there, then it will validate the sheet.
Okay, let's look at it.
It will show how many mistakes I have done. Then it will ask to redo it again. There is only one correct answer. The remaining 4 are wrong answers.
Review the
So I have to erase it
answers and try again.
with the eraser only. I have to use that eraser. Normal erasers will not work. Normal pens, you cannot use it.
Nice try. Review the incorrect answers and try again.
If you change the class, Disney Byju's will send another SD card to work and another set of books as well. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and also do some comments about this video. Have a great day. Stay safe and don't forget your mask.